Hey, thanks for being here. So we're going to share about our new website that is launching. Salty Customs has been in the apparel manufacturing industry for the past 10 years. And in that 10 years, we have learned some of the pains, struggles, and challenges that companies face when it comes to buying custom apparel products. So the aim of this new website is to bring the experience of buying custom apparel and customized products online. Our vision has always been to help inspire, and with change being the only constant, we're aiming to reinvent ourselves to make sure that we are able to bring more solutions to meet the demand that the market has for us. One of the key things that you can expect to see in this new website is better user experience, a cleaner user interface, a more hassle-free way to make your purchase, be it a design all the way to checking out and actually mass manufacturing apparels and other kinds of products. We have new features that you can look forward to, including your own dashboard, and that is where you can see all of the orders that you've made and the statuses of the orders, whether it's in production or it's been sent for delivery. In that process, you may also download the invoice or the receipt of your order respectively. Upon collecting data for so many years, we also understand that one of the key factors to cost is in ordering unnecessarily. So we've come up with a solution for that, known as the Smart Distribution Platform. We will create a store dedicated only to you. You may use this store for internal or external use. For example, you may use it for staff redemption purposes, so that staff can go onto the URL, which is unique to you, make their orders and their sizes and their purchases or claims, and then we will consolidate and mass manufacture them. Alternatively, you can also use it as an external store, whereby you can have it running for a period of time and you can sell your products or merchandise to your customers or loyal fans. Ultimately, this new website seeks to make your entire experience better and to bring the apparel manufacturing and the merchandise industry into the 21st century. I hope you enjoy the website as much as I do, and thank you very much for tuning in.